My students, so last day we have completed that chapter linear equation in two variable. Today we'll do some more extra question, and also whatever you have studied in that chapter we'll just go through once again. My dear student, we have started in that chapter that what do you mean by equation, what is a linear equation in two variables, how to convert an equation in two variable in the standard form, how to convert a statement into equation, how to find the values of x and y. So one by one, once again let's see. First we got the equation, that is, suppose x plus y equal to 7. This is the first equation. Then there are three things. Linear means degree 1, equation means equality of two algebraic expression, and variables x and y are the variables. Okay. Next we have seen the linear equation in two variable standard form, that is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Then next we have seen that how to convert an equation in two variable in the standard form. So see, suppose x plus y equal to 7. If I have to convert into the standard form, then how to do? X plus y plus bracket minus 1 equal to 0. Then if you compare, what will you get? A equal to 1, b equal to 1, c equal to minus 1. So these are the things you got. The next you have seen that how to find out the values of the variable, that is coordinate. Suppose x plus y equal to 7. Then first of all you have to convert any one variable in terms of the other. That is called the dependent equation. That is, say x equal to 7 minus y. Now, how to find out x, y? And this x and y is also known as order pair. Why order pair? Because x coming first, then y. Okay? What is a pair? Pair means two together. So, first, now you see, in the right hand side, y. That means y value has to be first and then x. So 0, 7, 1, 6, minus 1, 8. So and then 8, minus 1. These are the coordinates. Next we have seen how to plot these coordinates on the graph paper. In the graph paper there is two axes, x o x dash and y o y dash, which divides the plane into four parts. What are the names? Each part are known as quadrant. And what is the point of contact of the two axes? Point of contact of the two axes is origin. What is the coordinate of the origin? 0, 0. So suppose these are the two axes, x dash, y dash, then this is 0, 0, 0. Okay? And how they intersect? They intersect at right angle. They intersect at right angle. And in the graph, how we calculate? It is in anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction. This is the first, second, third, and the fourth quadrant. Okay? The next we have studied about how to form the equation from the statement. Suppose if I'll ask you the price of a book is 3 times the price of a pen. Price of a book, suppose price of a book is x and price of a pen is y. Then what is the relation? Price of a book is 3 times the price of a pen. Then how will you relate? So this is the way to convert a statement into two variables equation. Okay, now this is gone. Next we have seen that suppose ax plus 5y plus 2 equal to 0 and x equal to 1, y equal to minus 1, then what is the value of a? What is the value of a? See, you have to substitute the value. A into 1 plus 5 into minus 1 plus 2 equal to 0. Then what is that? A minus 5 plus 2 equal to 0 implies a equal to 3. So this is, like in one exercise you got this way, and in another exercise you got this way, 1 minus 1. So same, there is no difference, same. The next we have studied about the under what condition a linear equation in two variables will pass through origin as well as first and the third quadrant, and also that second and the fourth, and passing through the origin. What was that? Line will pass through first and the third if x equal to y, x minus y equal to 0, or ax minus by equal to 0. Any one of these three equations. If the equation is of the form any one of these three, then it will pass through first and the third quadrant. Then, under what condition an equation will pass through the second and the fourth? The line will pass through the second and the fourth if x equal to minus y, x plus y equal to 0, or ax plus by equal to 0. Then line will pass through second and the fourth, and in the previous case it will pass through first and the third, first and the third, first and the third. Okay, and then finally you have studied about how to represent one equation in two ways. One equation in two ways, that is in one variable and also in two variables. And also you have known about the equation of a straight line parallel to x-axis, perpendicular to x-axis, parallel to y-axis, perpendicular to y-axis. Okay, so let's see that one also. One example we'll take and then we will see. Suppose x equal to 2. Okay, then what we have done? See this one, 0, minus 1, 1, 2. So this is the one variable. Okay, x equal to 2. Now in two variable, what we have to do? This is y, this is y dash, this is x dash, 1, 2. So this is the 1. So 2, 0. Now how did you get 2, 0? See x equal to 2 implies x plus 0 into y equal to 2. So ultimately y value is 0. So these are the sum and substance of that chapter. Okay, now let us discuss with some extra questions. Okay, let us discuss with some extra questions. Now here basically in this chapter, basically what are the probable question may come in the exam? Probable questions. Probable question are that here you will get 1 mark question. That what is the coordinate of coordinate of the origin. What is the name? What is the other name of the value of x? What is the other name of the value of y? Then what is the equation of a line parallel to x-axis? Okay. What is the equation of a line perpendicular to y-axis? Okay. How to convert a equation into a standard linear equation in two variable and compare the values of the coefficient values of a and b and c. So these are the probable question, and also if you see in the perspective of the 3 or 4 mark, then it may be the graph that they will give the equation like this one. They will give the equation. They will ask you to plot the find out the coordinate of the coordinate and plot the point on the graph paper and draw the line of the equation. In that case, it will be 4 marks or 3 marks. And also statement question. Statement, they will give the statement, they will ask you to formulate the linear equation in two variable, and then they may ask you draw the graph as well. Like exercise 4.3, you have seen that work done and the displacement, distance. They ask you to formulate the equation and also draw the graph, and from the graph you have to find out the another that 2 unit and 0 unit work done, then how much distance will cover. Okay, so let us discuss few questions. Okay, let us discuss few questions. Suppose if I'll give you that x plus 7 equal to y. Convert these into standard form and also compare the coefficient with the standard form. Then what if you do? X minus y plus 7 equal to 0. But this is not, still now it is not in the standard form. So we have to convert into a standard form. X plus minus 1, y plus 7 equal to 0. Now if you compare, so what was the standard form in linear equation in two variable? Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So if I compare, then a equal to 1, b equal to minus 1, c equal to 7. Okay. Now he will ask you next question that coordinate of origin. Next, the point of intersection of two axes is known as dash. What is coordinate of origin is 0, 0. Then point of intersection of the two axes is known as origin. Okay. Now next, one comma two is a coordinate of the equation ax plus twice y minus 4 equal to 0. Find a. Then what you have to do? A into 1 plus 2 into 2 minus 4 equal to 0 implies a plus 4 minus 4 equal to 0 implies a equal to 0. Okay? Then let's see. Draw the graph. Draw the graph of the following equations. Number 1, twice x plus y equal to 5. Number 2, x minus thrice y equal to 0. Number 3, x by 2 plus y by 3 equal to 1. And number 4 is, suppose x equal to 5y. Okay, so draw the graph of the equation. Now question number 3, other all you can. Number 3 I'll just explain a little bit. Number 3 I'll explain. X by 2 plus y by 3 equal to 1. First of all, what you have to do, you take the LCM. Thrice x plus twice y by 6 equal to 1 implies thrice x plus twice y equal to 6 implies thrice x equal to 6 minus twice y implies x equal to 6 minus twice y by 3. Now you take out the coordinate and plot on the graph. And already I told that how to choose the scale while you plot the coordinate of the point. Okay? So my dear student, please go through all these questions and practice. With that, I will wind up and we will start in the next class with a new chapter. Okay? Thank you till that time. Bye bye.